Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations.
Transform your outdoor cleaning with the Makita 609041175 Patio Brush Kit for pressure washer. This innovative kit is designed specifically for models HW102 and HW1.11, making tough patio grime a thing of the past. With its durable bristles and efficient design, the Makita Patio Brush Kit scrubs away dirt and algae effortlessly. No more endless scrubbing. Get ready to restore your outdoor spaces to their former glory with ease and precision. Upgrade your pressure washing experience today because a clean patio is just a brush away.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.